A very good morning to everybody. Let's get this one started. Before we continue, remember guys, the information we discuss in this video is opinion and should not be construed as advice in any way. Once again, it is good to be with you here this morning. I'm Ashley Reeve. This is the opening bell. And we want to get things started with what's happening in the markets this morning. Very interestingly enough, we have, the rate cuts. FOMC meeting happened yesterday, and we did see the cut come through as chatted about previously. Obviously, the Fed is is now projected that there's 2 rate cuts in 2026. They project 1. But it's the 3rd time that they cut in 2025. And Jerome Powell did say that it was about a 51-minute session. You can watch it on YouTube as well if you'd like. Fed Chair Jerome Powell said no more hikes and easing will be slow. The weaker dollar obviously boosts gold, the AUD, the NZD, as well as other commodities. And the Fed also started buying short-term treasury bills to support the liquidity. So it's a very interesting one there that you got to check out. We do have a trading room this afternoon. We're going to check out some more of those, setups and so forth. Now, just to loop back to last week, or this week, sorry, I beg your pardon. On Tuesday, we had, some movement to the upside. I actually exited, entered right there and exited because I did see price coming down. So this was a 15-minute entry, and it did go in our favor, but it obviously came down, and we saw the weaker dollar happen. We are in a range right now with USD JPY. I'm going to leave it just as is. We're going to check it out at 2 o'clock and see what's happened. It's obviously hit a beautiful correction to the downside. We're going to see what happens here. Do we continue? Remember, guys, now that the Fed has obviously done what they needed to do, now we're going to see a lot of technicals play out. Many, setups were really moving sideways. You can look at gold as well. Very, very, very consolidated at this point, creating somewhat of 3 structures here. If you do go to your, you can use an oscillator to check out what the structure is actually about. You can see here that it's actually a resistance, and we've done a correction, and it's still in a correction at this point in time. Very large correction. And we've not really gained any direction yet, whether we're pushing to the upside short term or we're going down short term as well. Overall, we're up 50% overall from a gold perspective for the year. So that goes without saying, all right? So it looks like the impact could be that gold is approaching its October record highs. This strong environment for the gold mining stock. So we're going to be watching this at 2 o'clock this afternoon as well. So make sure you get here. NZD USD has pushed up considerably well. We did see that the NZD has obviously finished their rate cuts for the year. The Reserve Bank did cut last month, and it looks like it's going to stop cutting further. So we're looking at the whys this could be. Inflation is cooling down. The economy is improving, and the Reserve Bank says future moves do depend on the data. So the impact this could have is that the markets do think that the next move may be a rate hike, but only late 2026. All right, so we're going to watch out for that. I am looking for buys. Ash is looking for buys. I'm seeing the ups here. We've been chatting about this on Tuesday as well. It's now gone above my zone here. Get into the classes so you can understand what we are doing exactly at these points here, how we get to them, yeah? It's now pushed up, beautiful structure to the upside. You can see even in the indicator window, there is power to the upside, so the strength and the weaker dollar supporting this move here at this point in time. So we are looking to, look for some opportunity to 59 cents to the dollar. We can look at 2 o'clock and see what the 12 gateway, the 12 p.m. midday gateway has done for us. All right, new high could be coming down first and then pushing up, again. And then Euro USD, the same here. So weaker dollar has given us what we've needed here in terms of technicalities. We had anticipated the break to the upside. We had mentioned that this is a place where we're seeing the correction, and we are now above. So we're still expecting some more upside here to about 1.18. All right, that's $1.18 for 1 euro at this point in time. So we are looking forward to the rest of the week. It's Thursday, guide. We passed midweek here. Nothing major, nothing massive. We have obviously approached the end of the year. It's 11th of December, so things tend to slow down a little bit. every year, and we're experiencing this. It's cyclical, right? But we'll see how it goes. Obviously, crypto is still there, guys, 24/7. You can trade it with TDME, the platform, all crypto, exclusively crypto. Not only that, you can also get your ZAR coins from us. We have a beautiful partnership with Stellar there. And upon registration, you're hitting 50 ZARC in your account. And then with your first deposit, you get an extra 50 ZARC. That's 100 ZARC coins in total. All right. And that is on your TDME, crypto trading exchange platform. You can get it with us right here. There will be a crypto to crypto tomorrow, and there is crypto beginner classes Mondays to Fridays. Just so you guys do know as well, for all the guys in our education space, stay tuned for our notices. The TD Academy is going on a very, very short break there. We will be back on the 5th of Jan, but we will have our final week next week. So all the guys that are tuning into our education, our lessons throughout the day, we have made alternative arrangements for you guys. So just chat to your account managers. They will keep you in the loop. Yeah, for everybody else that's joining in the trading rooms, obviously those will not be held there. So just so you do know, we want to keep you guys informed. Very short breakaway. Obviously, there's a lot of planning that's also going into the next year. We want to come back better, fitter, and more, from a quality perspective, give you guys even better. Yeah. So very short breakaway there. Next week is the last one there, and then we will be done for 2025. For now, that's about 7 days away, all right? And then we'll be back 5th of January. But please join me in the trading room at 2 o'clock, guys. We're looking forward to, interacting with you guys and seeing what the technicals do hold for us. We'll see some of you guys in our sessions a little bit later on, all right? Have a fantastic one. That's Ashley Reeve here, guys, with the opening bell. And don't forget, guys, you can, visit care@tdmarkets.com. You can email our support team right there. And you can visit our website at www.tdmarkets.com. And you can obviously get in with any additional information you need, either from TDME. You can go to our IO website, TD Markets Exchange. You can then visit us there. We'll be giving more of that information in our trading rooms. We'll be looking at that platform a little bit there as well. So we'll be going to and fro just so you guys can see what's happening. Yeah. Have a good one. See you guys soon. Ashley Reeve here, guys, reporting live, and I'm checking out. Ciao, ciao.